Hi guys, today we're going to be making a Sunday dinner for us all today. So I have got chicken pie and I am brushing milk all over the pie so the pie goes nice crispy.
What's that?
Chicken pie. So you put the milk on to let it soak, and then when you put this on, it will not burn. It goes like a nice toasted
Me.
crispy
Can I have
top.
something like small like eight now? Some starving. Yeah.
Are you not helping, Mommy?
Me. Oh, done. But I do want to play my Xbox One. Me.
Right, go here.
Baby. Mommy, baby.
Oh goodness me!
Let me help. Just once. Mama.
So Cielo, we're having a nice Sunday dinner. Chicken and gravy pie,
Yeah.
cream potatoes,
Done. What's green potatoes?
cream potatoes.
Green potatoes. No. Can I go upstairs? Please. But I want to help you. I'm going to
I'm not well at the minute, so
Mommy,
you don't put your fingers. So we put it. No. In the oven. That's it. 150. Right, what else, Sienna?
I don't know.
Come on. You know, girly, what do you want? What else do we need?
Gravy.
Gravy.
Yeah.
Homemade gravy. What else we gonna have, Sienna? We need our pots.
Yeah, Mommy, and
We need all our pots.
huh?
So, let me see. That pot will do for the veg. And where did the small? Hold on, girls. Baby daddy. So, we are going to put the processed cheese.
Mommy.
Yeah? No. We don't need that yet, Sarah. That's still the last. We need our mixed vegetables. Right, Santa, you throw that in the bin. You're helping Mama.
Mommy.
Oh, no. Mixed veg. For the babas. We need to get the potato peeler. Where's the potato peeler?
Yeah.
Right. Stand down, Jeff, peel the potatoes.
Dado.
Right.
Do you want to peel the potatoes?
Right, potato peeler.
Right,
Over there.
let's do the peeling. I'll peel.
Ganon. Sabi ko na.
What is this? What's the part of this?
Cooking chicken pie. With Sunday dinner.
Ah!
So with Sunday dinner.
Ow!
Come on, Bubble Boy.
So peel ko tayo ng potatoes. Ito yung kanin po. Dito. Kasanayan lang naman yan eh. You just get used to it. Ow!
Take your
With
time.
my own finger.
Take your time.
So ito po yung ginagamit.
Hello.
Bakit?
They're so in the mixer.
Yan. Mami, oh, they're playing with the,
Oh. Sabi ko. No. It'll freeze your fingers.
The 20th of December, we had our annual Thanksgiving today. Kanina. So, Nana, what are we doing?
So we're peeling the potatoes.
You mean, yeah. Do you like rice or do you like potatoes? Which one do you like?
Rice.
Rice?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't really like potatoes.
Huh?
Well, you love mommy's.
Why do you not like
You always
potatoes?
say you love mommy's potato.
Because it's nice and I like the way
What's nice?
the potatoes.
Yeah, but you're saying that you like rice better than potato.
But I do like potatoes.
Right, swing your hair down, girlie. Go.
So that doesn't
swing
make
your hair
sense.
down. So,
How can
what
you
would
like-
you prefer? What is better, rice or potato?
But I like both.
Interesting.
This girl will eat anything you give her. What about blood?
Have you tried balut? Oh, yes, we should try that.
You did try blood,
She can't remember. That was a long, long time ago.
and you ate it.
Nana, yuck.
What's below?
Balut is bird in an egg.
A little baby bird
A little baby
inside
bird.
the
Didn't even
egg.
get a hatch. And you ate the bird. A dead bird inside an egg.
Yeah.
But it actually tastes lovely.
It's full of protein, Sienna.
Yeah.
And germs.
When it's cooked.
And you can get bigger ones
And you
too.
actually ate the feathers as well. Do you not remember?
Ugh,
Who ate the feathers?
you
did.
No, I didn't.
Yes,
You did.
You can't remember, can you? It was a long time ago.
What feathers?
The feathers of the bird. Where can you buy balut now? I don't think there's anybody selling them.
Behind Castle Court, I think they still do.
Do they?
Even though there's corona.
Corona?
Yeah.
So there's a lockdown again.
And I can't play with my friend Dima.
How can you not? Oh, yeah, I know, you can't.
No, the lockdown hasn't started yet.
So I can still play with my friend.
Yes. The lockdown starts in the 26th.
It's so easy peeling the potatoes with this. You know, you just go
In
like
the
that.
Philippines, they don't have that, no?
No, I don't remember seeing this in the Philippines. They would go like this. Give me a knife. This is how they peel potatoes. So maybe now they have this, but I never seen it. A knife. They use a knife. They don't have a. That's how they do it, huh? They go like that. They start at the top, right? And then go around like
Is that
so.
a hard part?
No, they go like that, like so. See that?
Yeah.
And it used to scare me when it would cut on. It takes forever, doesn't it?
Yeah. Maybe
No, I'm not doing that.
Well, that would be me not cooking.
Oi.
If I had that, that's why the potato peelers. Better, Sienna, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, you just go like that, oh.
But you can peel your skin off.
Still got this, you can cut your hands.
Yeah, I've done it several times with a potato peeler. And it really rips your skin off.
Oh, that's scary. Yikes.
What do you do? So, Sienna, what are you going to do today?
I don't know.
Right, while Mummy peels the potatoes, you can show them.
Night to bed. I'm only new to this and I'm only practicing my trumpet. This is C and this is D.
Interesting. So who's your teacher?
Mr. Johnson.
Johnson?
Johnson.
Johnson.
And what has he been teaching you?
Baby Shark and John.
Wait, try your baby shark, go.
But I haven't got the phone on. I haven't got the phone on.
Keep practicing.
And C, D, C, D.
You could end up probably being in an
D.
orchestra.
So do you have to dice them really small?
My man, yes.
But why?
Because it saves electric. You put hot water and it cooks quicker.
Does it not go too pasty?
If the potatoes are so big, it takes longer for them to soften.
Ganon.
So you have to chop them smaller. That's the idea, Baba boy. So
Daddy, this is the bell.
The bell?
Yes.
hopefully,
This is the mouthpiece.
I can't play it.
Can Vlog play it?
Vloggy? I'm not sure. Let me
right,
see.
Sienna, would you like to do the honors?
Yeah.
Honors of what? So there it is. It's not cooked yet.
What you say, love? See the way it's toasting?
At the top of it. Like that.
Yeah, see the way it's nice and golden because of the milk.
Oh, so the milk's done that.
If you put it on, it'll be dry and flaky.
Mm-hmm. There.
So it makes it like more of a golden. It's not going to be burnt.
Yeah.
Cream potato.
That'll be lumpy
is
potatoes.
soft, creamy.
And no bumps.
Yes, good girl. Even you know, Sienna. You can put salt, pepper, garlic in the cream potatoes.
Kill but
Give me more of a oomph.
Oompa loompa.
Die potato.
Buang. So buang, daddy's buang.
Potato die.
I'm not potato, I'm black.
No, potato die.
Oh.
This one.
Yes. Potato's dead.
And what if you are? I would love to have dark skin. Hopefully you can go home and see Mummy La and Daddy Lo.
Mommy, Mom, Daddy.
And you will be able to see the life in the Filipinas.
I know so dark.
Hopefully.
You can Try the chickens intestines.
Yeah,
Try all the food.
And go to the beach.
Yeah.
Oh, the beach there's lovely.
What else would be there? What can you?
Starfish, starfish.
What can
Oh yes,
you
there's starfish
tell?
there.
Right.
Sea cucumbers.
What can you tell the vloggers, Sienna? What can you
Anemone.
tell them? What you imagine that the Philippines is like?
What do you think would be?
What do you think
What do
the
you think
Philippines
is,
would be like?
would Philippines be like? Go.
Tell them, explain to them what
What do
you
you
think. You've never been there, but just imagine what it would be like. What you think it would be like.
I think it would be hot
Right.
and have a nice coral reef.
Right.
And
What about the culture?
what culture?
But people.
I think there's statues.
Statues? What do you mean statues?
Yeah, there's the. Remember I showed you the in Dubai. They've got the big bird.
Yeah.
Do you know what the bird's called?
No.
Where?
The big eagle. What's that? Ask Daddy.
I don't know what.
I don't know what eagle. The Philippine eagle.
Oh,
Oh, the large. I don't know if it's the largest eagle in the whole world. It's very big.
Bigger
See,
than
the likes of Seoul, or I think it would try and grab you and
eat
they would
you.
eat you.
And they've got big statues of the Dorian.
But why the eagle?
Yeah. Monkey-eating eagles, that's what they are. The Philippine eagle, that's what they're called, the monkey-eating eagles. They eat the monkeys. Do you not know that? No.
There's
Why are you laughing at?
Nothing.
I don't know, monkey-eating eagle. But that's what it's called.
I want to show
And we
them.
finished the
I
dinner.
want to show them.
Show them what?
I can climb the
Climb what?
door.
Hi!
Door.
Right, go. Sienna wants to show you that she can climb the doors. She's like a monkey. See, my children are so enthusiastic and energetic.
Mommy.
They love climbing. Look, they never sit a pace. They're always climbing. And there's Bunso too. On the worktop. You're gonna fall. Come on, down we get.
Hello, so yeah, it is now ready. There it is, it's nice and cooked, the chicken pie. And what else have we got here? Yes, the vegetables and mashed peas. What else have we got here? Yes, the potatoes. They just need mash, don't they? Pagkain. Okay. Pagkain? What? The plates. We need to drain that first. So what we now need is this butter and milk and some salt.
Right.
Mommy.
There it is, milk and butter. Is that enough? So, in a mixer to make it quicker, isn't it? It's not gonna burn now.
Oh, okay.
It's off. Mas mabilis po siya
This is quicker instead of using the micer with
your bare hands. No, it's a bare hands.
the micer. You're losing grip sometimes, so you can't. It's probably about the same.
It's burned.
Tell me if there's no lumps.
That's done. Sarap yan. Very nice. So we're getting
The best
ready
from the
for
best.
food.
Look at that.
Right plates.
Ah, that's warm.
What about Samuel? Is he having this?
Yes.
Is it not kidneys? No, that chicken. So there's the pie.
It's real chicken.
It won't zoom in. That's the main problem.
See, it's so cool.
There.
That is the tip. Always put milk on top of your pie. Frozen. When your vegetables are frozen.
These are frozen vegetables and they've been boiled. So put them on one side.
Just see if they will eat more after. Here, Bubba, do it like that. Here.
It's fine.
No, take that over to the table. Set it like that.
Can you video this? Okay, so that's that. Aya?
He wants broccoli. He loves his broccoli.
They are lovely. That's the mashed peas, isn't it? It's in broccoli.
Yum yum, broccoli. You like broccoli?
So, yan na siya. Uy, wait a minute, you're too excited. Not yet.
She might not eat the peas, Sahara. You should give her.
And the next one is the main deal.
Right, Baba, which way are we doing this? We need to cut it.
Bulingit. Wait a minute, Saul. We haven't said our prayers yet. Dali lang. Oh, there's the gravy. No, what about the chicken first? No. Oh my gulay! I can't.
What's this?
I can't have the gravy. No. Oh, you're so eager, Beaver, huh? We haven't said our prayers yet.
Sahara, Sienna, Boyet.
What? let's eat now.
Right, hold on.
Yummy. Maybe I should have the video here. So let's go.
No, he likes a good bit of meat.
So low.
Yes, I'm coming to eat now.
Mom, I need a bit more. Mom,
Sarap.
What?
so
Is it sarap, Nana, or is it yak?
oh, the chair. Lovely.
What's lovely in Filipino?
Just this, it's lovely.
It's sarap. It's yummy.
He spilled all the juice over that chair. He can't sit there now. Alan, he can't sit there. He spilled the juice.
Put a towel or something. Wala eh.
Here, son. Stand on the chair. Here, stand there.
So yan po siya,
Sit
masarap siya.
properly like a good
So
boy.
nice.
Yes, wait a minute. I get you.
What about you, Kuya Boy? Do you love it? Yeah?
No.
No?
See?
What about you, Leticia? Yeah?
Typical mama. Never gets eaten. Always running after the kids.
Now, it's your time to relax, Baba girl.
Really? When I'm running after all the...
Well, we're eating.
Yes.
No more.
Right, you be on the camera there.
Hi, me.
What happened there?
I need a drink.
Sienna, there's...
Oopsies.
It is cold.
Oh. Mommy. Mommy, I'm
What?
not allowed to eat that.
Yes, you are allowed to eat that.
Oh, you ate the potato, boy. That's nice.
Well, I'm enjoying the meat and the vegetables.
Yeah, no.
Come on,
it's
Sarah, let me
lovely,
see
isn't it?
you eat. Here.
Well, I have lots of sugar.
And he's not eating either? That is a waste of a dinner.
So that's it. Cleared.
Mine's almost clear.
Kuya Boy, did you clear yours?
I'm just needing a wee bit of chicken.
Did you like the dinner? Is that it?
Nice. Is the chicken good?
It is lovely, isn't it? You don't like it? No? Ours. What are you doing, so?
I need to get food.
Mama's not well.
I definitely need to get food for vegetables.
So you all liked Mama's dinner?
Did you like Mommy's dinner?
It's tasty?
Yeah.
No complaints?
No complaints.
No complaints, Boy?
Gravy was okay, potatoes were okay.
Did you like the dinner, Boy?
Yep.
There's no lumps in the potatoes.
Is there?
Did you feel any lumps in the potato?
No, they were soft.
I didn't feel any lumps. It was so nice. Look,
I
it's
didn't
cleared.
And the gravy wasn't watery?
Yeah.
No, the gravy was not.
Yeah, the way Daddy does it, it's watery.
So what's going on here?
So would you say Mummy's a chef?
Yep. Yep.
Vanished.
So yan na, wash the dishes.
Sayang.
Sayang yung food.
It's real. But I get your phone.
What?
I get your phone.
I'm so full.
War.
So yeah, I hope you like that video. And if you
Okay, my reindeer.
Please like and subscribe our channel.
We've got to clean the house now.
Oh no, that's what I don't like. So bye for now. Bye.